Hey there, welcome back to E-Fishing. I'm Rodney, and as you can see, we're back in the garage, but tried to make it to the lake. I've had a rough day the other day, and it was all going good. Got to the lake, even got the boat in the water, and then this happened. Muddy all the way down to here. What happened? So, at this point, I was kind of freaking out a little bit. It's like, what am I going to do? My truck is dead. It won't start. Doesn't even get a burr, 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 nothing. It's just a click, 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 and nothing. So, anyways, long story short, it ended up the positive battery terminal was corroded up, and it almost fell off. It was that bad corroded, and it's not been that long since I went out there and cleaned that thing off of that thing. I guess some of y'all got Ford trucks know that they're kind of bad about doing this corrosion thing on the positive terminal. If you got a Ford truck, go out there and check it out, because it might be all jacked up like mine was. But anyway, all's well. I was able to clean it off. I was able to get enough pressure on the positive clamp to limp home, which, you know, I took it easy and whatnot. Got home. I was able to get a new positive terminal put on and whatnot. So truck's fine. Anyways, it sure was interesting. Stuff happens at the boat ramp all the time. Y'all know, if you got a boat, car, truck, motorcycle, snowmobile, it don't matter. There's something gonna go wrong at some point. So just pay attention out there. Carry a few tools with you to help you, at least help get yourself off the boat ramp. Anyways, I'm Rodney with E-Fishing. Thanks for stopping by. Maybe one day we'll get to the lake. Anyways, we'll catch y'all later. We're out.